Hello everyone. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to use the ArcMap or ArcGIS to Map Mavin plugin. So first off, you're going to want to make sure that you have the plugin downloaded, which you can find underneath how it works on the Map Mavin website on the ArcGIS to Map Mavin page, and then just click the download button. Once you've installed it, on the top you'll see that there's a Map Mavin dropdown, and you can click Open Map Mavin window. From there you need to log in. Once you've logged in, you can see that there's a few different options. One is upload to Map Mavin, then there's append or replace existing layer, and then there's an upload to folder option that you can check. If you check that, it'll give the option to put it in a pre-existing folder, which for example my first folder just says test, so if I want it to end up there, I can do upload to folder and have that in there. So uploading to Map Mavin is the basic export, but I want to talk about the append or replace existing layer. So in this map for Yellowstone, say I wanted to add some. Say I've already uploaded to Map Mavin and I already have all these layers in Map Mavin, but I go back to Arc and I'm doing some editing and I have found some more mines. So I'm going to edit those features and add some new mine features. So say I've located one there, here, and here, and then I want to save those edits and append or add them to the existing layer. I would click append, replace existing layer, choose mine in the ArcGIS layer, choose mine in the Map Mavin layer, and then either choose to append or replace. And that's it. And then when I upload to Map Mavin, those layers will all get uploaded individually and a web map will be created of them. So it takes a little while for each layer to be uploaded, and it also takes usually a minute or two for the map itself to be created, so you got to give it some time and be patient with this one, but it is really useful still. So now we can see that our layers have been imported. We can head over to our layers tab. We can see these 4 layers have been added successfully, and then a map should have been created with those layers. And this is what the map will look like. And that's it. Thanks for listening.